variables. It's the question number 2, third question. Third part, I am reading the question for you. The sum of the digits of a two-digit number is 9. Also, 9 times this number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digits. Find the number. This is the question. Now, in the beginning, we are giving the number is of two digits. Okay. Whenever the case of two digit number, so we have to consider something. Okay. The number is of two digits. So we need to mention which unit we are taking. Sorry, which digit we are taking on unit place and which digit we are taking on tens place. Fine. So there are two places. So first we need to mention, let the digit in the unit place be, let the digit on unit place be x we are considering. Let the digit on unit place be x and 10 place be y and tens place be y. Okay. Very important question. Be careful. Now for that, for your better understanding, I am asking you to draw this way one small table. That is very important for understanding the question nicely. Two-digit number is having two places. First, keep this in mind. Which two places I am talking about? One of them is unit place. We call it ones place also. Okay. So I am asking you to mention here. This is ones place. Ones place, or we can called it unit place U. Okay. And here it is tens place. For that I am giving numbering T. So marking T. Now which number we are choosing for particular? Here I have clearly mentioned unit place be x, means this is x, and the tens place be y. So this is y. And we know that always 10 place digit must be multiplied by 10. So we need to mention here this will be 10. Okay. 10th place digit must be multiplied by 10 and ones place digit must be multiplied by 1. Here it is 10 and this is 1. Simple. So what will be the number? So we can say original number B. Original number will be 10y plus x. 10y plus x. Now what they are asking us? Now reversing the order. Now reversing the order. If we reversing the order, okay, if we reverse the order, then what will be the number? The number will become different than our expectation. What it will be? Let's see. Here it is given. We are reversing the digit. Then this will be tens. This will be unit place. And this time x will become this. Okay. Here we need to mention this will become x and this will become unit place digit. So let's note down this also. And as we know that unit place digit will be multiplied by 1 and ones place digit will be multiplied by 10. I am explaining again here. Here unit place digit was x in original number. After reversing the number, this will become tens place digit. So it is 10x and here it is y. So it will become unit place digit. So after reversing the order, the number will be, what will be the number? Note down, the new number will be 10x plus 1y ja y. So this is the number. Now in the beginning sentence we are given the number is of the sum of. In the first sentence we are given the sum of the digit of a two-digit number is 9. So let's have the first equation, sum of the digit. Sum of the digit means x plus y. Sum of the two digit means x plus y, that is equal to 9. Let's say this is result number 1. Okay. Now in the second line we are given 9 times this number. Digit, two digit number is 9. 9 times this digit number is twice the number obtained by reversing the order of the digit. Let me explain you again this question, this sentence. 9 times this number. 9 times this number. This number means which number I am talking? The original number. Okay. So what is the original number? 9 times the original number. Original number is this 10y plus x. 9 times the original number, which will be equal to 2 times. Twice means 2 times the new number. What is the new number? Look at your screen. The new number is 10x plus 1. I hope it's clear up to here. Let's work out on the solution part now. Okay, let's simplify this. It will become, multiplication will become this way. We are starting from there only again. So let's see how to solve further. Let's simplify. So this will become, let me write it again here, 9 into 10. Better I am writing and repeating this here, so it will be easy for us. This is our new equation. This is 10x and this is y. Okay. Now this is new equation. So let's work out. Therefore, 9 into 10 is 90y. 9 into x is 9x. 2 into 10 is 20x. Plus 2 into y is 2y. Here. Therefore, now let's simplify this. Once again I am explaining. 9 into 10, that is 90y, then plus 9x, then 20x plus 2y. Now what to do? Let's bring all the terms to same side. So what do we have here? 9x is this side. I am bringing this 20x to this side. It will become minus. Plus 90y is already this side. I am bringing this. This will become minus 2y. Fine. Now 9x minus 2x, okay? 9x minus 20x, not 2x, sorry. 9x minus 20x gives the result minus 11x, fine. And 90 minus 2. What is 90 minus 2? We know 88. It will be plus 88y. Now, if we want to simplify this equation, we can see something should be common from this. For that, I am taking minus 11 common. So here this will become x. Here the sign will be changed. Because of this minus sign, the sign of this will be changed. Here we need to write minus. Now as 11 8 ja 88. So here 8y, which is equal to 0. And you know, dear student, there 0 and here minus 11. If I bring to this side, that will be 0 upon minus 11. Alternative, it will become 0. So whenever in any of the question you will find something common and 0 to the other side, then just bring it down, so it will give the result 0. So directly a new equation will be in this form. Let's say this is equation number 3. Okay. Now we need to work out on 2 and 3 and we are applying elimination method. Okay. Our first equation was easy, you know, that is x plus y equal to 9. That was our equation 1. And this is our equation number 3. Let me call it 3. Now what we are going to do, we want to eliminate xx. Okay. We want to eliminate xx. So what we have to do in such a case, if we want to eliminate xx, then we need to change the sign here. You can see we need to change the sign. So what do we have? This xx will go on. So plus y plus 8y. Plus y plus 8y gives the result 9y. Equal to 9 minus 0 is 9. Therefore, y equal to 9 upon 9, that is equal to 1. Therefore, what should I say? Therefore, y equal to 1. So, the value of y is 1 we are gaining. Okay, but this is not a complete solution, as you know. Okay, so what we are going to do, we are finding further solution. Fine, what we have to do for that, let's move out. Okay, let's move out, and we are putting this value of y equal. Okay, let's continue. As we got the value of y equal to 1. Now we have this equation, x plus y equal to 9. This equation is with us, x plus y equal to 9. What we are going to do? In place of y, which we with the value of y we got 1. So let's put its a value 1 here. Now x plus 1 equal to 9. So x equal to 9 minus 1. So x equal to 8. This value we got. Okay. Now actually our original number in the beginning, where we have found that table which we have drawn, in that original number was 10y plus x. Okay. So in place of y we need to write 1, and in place of x we need to write 8. 10 ones are 10, and this is 8. 10 plus 8 gives the result 18. Therefore, we can say that original number is 80. 18. 1, 8, 18. This is our required result. Yeah.